I sat down with Elena and her father and Donatio, and we talked through what their goals were, which was to make the shop work more efficiently. I drew up a plan, got the approval, and then we started to declutter. Juan and I went in every area, and he told me what they use, what they don't use. We removed what they don't use and analyzed what categories those were and how often they use it. Then made a plan to rearrange and to put what where so they could access things easily in the seasons that they use it. We kept some things where they were because they worked well, and some things we had to move. From what I can tell, it's working really well. Organizing isn't meant to be a once and done kind of thing. It's meant to be a seasonal analyzing and refining of things. My favorite part is always the people, trying to figure out how the people function, what their strengths and weaknesses are, and help them to mitigate the weaknesses so they can do what they love to do, what they're good at. Just helping people maximize their skills.